This dark gray one is stunning, isn't it?
Absolutely. The black one has a similar elegance. How's the front end coming along? Refining the grille now. Let's see it on the clay. This new alloy increases torsional rigidity by 15%. Impressive. What about the thermal expansion? Running the sim now. Looks stable. Let's check this joint tolerance.
Confirmed, reading 0.3 millimeters.
Good. Well within spec.
Logging it now.
All right, bring the chassis up. Chassis is rising. Looks good. Ready on this side. Engaging now. Check the harness. Connected. Testing now. Voltages look good. Next module. All right, removing this cover to access the vents. Now I'll grab the pliers for the trim. I'm seeing a code for the O2 sensor. I'll check the connections now. Good. Document the voltage. On it.